Hello all, this is Pavithra. Today I come up with directions. This topic will come under logical reasoning. Now you can expect with, questions which are based on finding out direction and finding out distance between starting point to ending point, like these questions. Third one is angle-based questions, anti-clockwise direction and clockwise direction, like that. Shadow-based questions. Now here, before entering to the questions, I will discuss some points which are related to directions. Okay. Now here, you have to know the directions first. I hope everyone know where is north, east, south, and west. But some people don't know. Correct. Now here, how we can remember north, east, and south, and west. Now here you can remember like this. Naughty elephant sprinkling water. Naughty elephant sprinkling water. Now between north and east, northeast, between south and east, southeast, between south and west, southwest, between north and west, northwest. Now here, what about angles? The angle between north and east 90 degrees, angle between south and east 90 degrees. Similarly, angle between south and west 90 degrees, and this is 90 degrees. Total 360 degrees. Now angle between north and northeast we can say 45 degrees, and this is also 45 and this is also 45. Now if the question is asking like this, if the person is facing towards north direction, the person is turned 45 degrees anti-clockwise direction. If the person is turned 45 degrees anti-clockwise direction, then the person is turning to the moving towards facing towards northwest direction. 45 degrees anti-clockwise direction. If the person is turning 45 degrees clockwise direction, then the person is facing towards northeast direction. Okay. Now, if the question is asking like this, the person facing towards south direction and person is turning 90 degrees anti-clockwise direction. 90 degrees anti-clockwise direction. Then the person is facing towards east direction. 90 degrees anti-clockwise direction. Then person is facing towards east direction. Yes. Now shadow-based questions I will explain where questions will come. Okay. Now here question number 1. Neeraj walked 20 meters towards east and look at right turn and walked 10 meters. Then he took left turn and walked 20 meters. Okay. Now Neeraj walked 20 meters towards east direction. Let us assume this is 20 meters. Don't put your scale and don't measure. Okay. Now Neeraj walked 20 meters towards east direction. Then turn right and walked 10 meters. Turn right and walked 10 meters. This is the right side. Correct. Walked 10 meters. Then he took left turn and walked 20 meters. Left turn and walked 20 meters. Now, what is the question he is asking? In which direction is he from the starting point? Now, this is the starting point and this is the ending point. Correct? The person is in which direction from starting? If I am looking at starting point, the person is in southeast direction. Answer is option C, southeast direction. Okay, moving forward to next. Lucy went 15 kilometers to the west. 15 kilometers to the west. Lucy went 15 kilometers to the west direction. This is 15 kilometers from his house. Yes, this is house. Okay. Lucy went 15 kilometers to west direction from his house. Then he turned left and walked 20 meters. 20 kilometers. Turn left and walked 20 kilometers. And again turn left and walked 25 kilometers. Again turn left and walked 25 kilometers. This is a very important. Here 15 kilometers. And we have to draw extension of, we have to draw somewhat from 15 kilometers. Correct? And finally turn left and cover 20 kilometers. turn left and cover 20 kilometers. Yes, this is 20 kilometers only. 20 kilometers. Now, what is the question he's asking? How far is he from his house? Now, this is house and this is ending point. Correct? Now, what is the distance here? Here, the distance is 25 kilometers. And this distance is 15 kilometers. Now, can I say remaining distance means this distance is 10 kilometers? Yes. Answer is option D, 10 kilometers. Total 25. 15 plus 10, it is giving the result as 25. Moving forward to next. A man walked 9 kilometers towards east. For understanding purpose, I am drawing everything. Naughty, elephant, sprinkling water. A man walked 9 kilometers towards east direction. 9 kilometers towards east direction. Then 12 kilometers towards south direction. 12 kilometers towards south direction. Now, what is the question? How far is he from the starting point? This is the starting point and this is the ending point. How we can calculate? We can calculate by using Pythagoras theorem rule. I hope everyone know Pythagoras theorem rule. Correct? In our childhood days, we learn Pythagoras theorem rule. Now, let us assume this is A, B, C. Now, what is Pythagoras theorem rule? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Now, AC square is equals to what is AB? 9 square. What is BC? 12 square. Now, AC is equals to root 9 square plus 12 square. Now, what is this? AC is equals to root 81 plus 144. Root 225. We can say 225. We can say 15. Answer is option C, 15 kilometers. Moving forward to next. Aryan is facing west. Aryan is facing west and he turns right and walks 20 kilometers. The person is facing towards west direction, and he turns right and walks 20 meters. Turns right and walks 20 meters. Then he turns left and walks 10 meters. Left and walks 10 meters. There he walks 7 meters to the north direction. 7 meters to the north direction. Yes, this is 7 meters. And then 10 meters towards west direction. 10 meters towards west direction. Now, what is the question he's asking? In which direction is he from the original position? Yes, this is the starting point and this is the ending point. The person is in which direction? Most of the people will say west direction, but west direction will not be possible. Here, if I'm looking like this, we can say between north and west. Correct. We can say northwest. Answer is option B, northwest direction. Moving forward to next. Abhi walked 20 meters towards north. Abhi walked 20 meters towards north direction. This is 20 meters. Then he turned right and walked 30 meters. Turned right and walked 30 meters. Then he turned right and walked 35 meters. And walked 35 meters. Then he turns left and walks 15 meters. Turns left and walks 15 meters. Finally, he turns left and walks 15 meters. Turns left and walks 15 meters. This is 15 meters. Because what is the distance here? From here to here, 20 meters. From here to here, we can consider as what? Total 35. That will be fine. From here to here, we can consider as 20. And what about this 15? From here to here, we can consider as 15. Yes, this 15 and this 15 both are same. Now, what is the question he is asking? How far is he from the starting position? This is the ending point and this is the starting point. Now, what is the distance between starting point and ending point? This is what? 30 kilometers. 30 plus, what is this? 15. 30 plus 15. It is giving the result as 45. Answer is option D, 45. 45. Now, what? And here he is asking direction also. Now, which direction? East direction. From starting point, if I am saying, we can say east direction. The person is facing towards east direction. Correct? Moving forward to next. Amit walked 15 meters towards west, 15 meters towards west. He turned left and walked 20 meters, left and walked 20 meters. Then he turned left and walked 15 meters, turned left and walked 15 meters. After this, he turned right and walked 12 meters, turned right and walked 12 meters. Now, what is the question he is asking? How far and which direction is he from the starting point? Now, this is the starting point and this is the ending point. Now, how far and which direction? What is the distance here? From here to here 20, from here to here 12. Why I am saying 20? Here 20 meters are there, correct? Yes, 20 plus 12, it is giving the result as 32. In which direction? South direction. Answer is option A, south. 32 meters, south direction. Moving forward to next. Abhi went 8 kilometers towards south direction. Okay. Abhi went 8 kilometers towards the south direction. This is 8 kilometers. He turned left and walks 3 kilometers. Turn left and walks 3 kilometers. Okay. Sorry, what is this? Turn west and walks 3 kilometers. West. Yes. Abhi walked 8 kilometers towards the south direction. South direction 8 kilometers. And turn west and walks 3 kilometers. Again turn north and walked 5 kilometers. Turn north and walked how many? 5 kilometers. He took a final turn to east and walked 3 kilometers. To east, final turn to east 3 kilometers. Walked 3 kilometers. In which direction was Ashok from the starting point? This is the starting point and this is the ending point. Now, what is the distance here? From here to here, total 8. From here to here is 5. Correct. Now, from here to here, 5 means I can say remaining distance is total 8 means remaining distance I can say 3 kilometers. Correct. From here to here, 5 means I can say remaining distance is 3 kilometers. Correct. In which direction is he from the starting point? Okay, the person is not asking what is the distance. The person is asking which direction was Ashok from the starting point. Yes, which direction from the starting point? South direction. Answer is option D, south direction. Moving forward to next. A clock 10:30, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I hope everyone know how clock will looks like. Correct? Okay. It is 10:30 by the clock. If minute hand points towards south direction. Okay. 10:30. Here I can draw like this. This is 10 and this is 10 and this is 30. Okay. Yes. 10:30. I'm very poor in drawing. Please try to adjust. If minute hand points towards south direction, which direction our hand points? This is north and this is east. Naughty elephant sprinkling water. In which direction our hand is showing? Towards northwest direction. Answer is option B, northwest direction. Moving forward to next. A man facing towards east. A man facing towards east direction, 135 degrees anti-clockwise direction and 45 degrees anti-clockwise direction. Most of the people will calculate like this. First, the people will calculate, yes, 135 degrees anti-clockwise direction. What is this angle? We can say most of the people will calculate like this. First, the people will calculate 135 and after that 45 degrees anti-clockwise direction. No need to calculate. Here 135 degrees anti-clockwise direction and 45 degrees anti-clockwise direction. Correct? Anti-clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now here 135 plus 75. What is 135 plus 45? It is giving the result as 180 degrees total anti-clockwise direction. Now from there, 90 degrees, the person is rotating clockwise direction. 180 minus 90, it is giving the result as what? 180 minus 90. It is giving the result as 90. Now, which is more? Anti-clockwise direction is more. Anti-clockwise direction. Now, the person is initially facing towards east direction. The person is turning only 90 degrees anti-clockwise direction. 90 degrees anti-clockwise direction means the person is facing towards north direction. Answer is option C, north direction. Moving forward to next. Malini went from her office to the bank. From her office, let us assume this is office, okay? To the bank, she started her journey facing west direction. She went 2 kilometers straight. Means the person is traveled 2 kilometers towards west direction. She turned her right and went 3 kilometers. Her right and went 3 kilometers. This is 3 kilometers. Finally, she turned left and walked 2 kilometers. Turn left and walked 2 kilometers to reach the bank. Yes, this is bank. Okay. Now, what is the question he's asking? What is the shortest distance between Malini office and bank? How we can calculate? Yes, how we can calculate? Here we can calculate like this. Now, what is the total distance here? 2 plus 2, it is giving the result as total 4 kilometers. Now, what is the distance here? This distance is what? 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers, correct? This is also we can consider as what? 3 kilometers, correct? Now, apply Pythagoras theorem rule. Yes, now apply Pythagoras theorem rule. It will looks like this, correct? Total 4 kilometers, and here we can able to see 3 kilometers, and this is 4 kilometers. Now we can apply Pythagoras theorem rule, correct? Yes. Now Pythagoras theorem rule, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square, correct? Now what is this? 4 square plus 3 square, root 4 square plus 3 square, root 16 plus 9, it is giving the result as root 25. We can say 5 kilometers. Answer is option D, 5 kilometers. A, B, C. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Moving forward to next. Yes, these questions are from shadow-based questions. Now you can expect shadow-based questions in morning case and as well as evening case. Okay. Now in morning case, now here sun rises in east direction. In morning case, sun rises in east direction. Sunset west direction. Now here I am talking about first morning case. Okay. Now sun rises in east direction. Okay. Now this is north and this is east and this is south and this is west. Okay. Now if I am facing towards north direction, my shadow will fall on my left side. If I am facing south direction, then my shadow will fall on my right side. If I am facing east direction, then my shadow will fall on back side. Now if I am facing west direction, then my shadow will fall on front side. Okay. Now this is about morning case. Morning case. Now here question is also talking about morning case. One morning after sunrise, Gangadhar was walking facing a pole. Okay, Gangadhar was walking facing a pole. The shadow fell exactly to his right. Now the person is talking about right side. Now what are the possibilities are they? Here the person right, and here only north and south is possible. Correct. By using common sense, we can say only north or south is possible. I can eliminate option B. I can eliminate option D. Now either option A or C is possible. Correct. Now here Gangadhar walking facing a pole. The shadow pole exactly to his right side. Now to his right side is nothing but if the person is facing towards south direction, if the person is facing towards the south direction, both are facing towards each other. Correct. Facing a pole means both are facing towards each other. Correct. Pole and the person. Now, if I am facing north, south direction, hear me. Let us assume hear me. Okay. Now, if I am facing south direction, if I am facing south direction, my shadow will fall on my right side or left side. Yes, here the sun. My right side. My right side. Correct. This is the right side. Now, this is the pole. If pole is facing towards the north direction. If pole is facing towards the north direction, then shadow will fall on left side. Correct. Now, what is the question he's saying? The pole shadow of pole fell exactly to his right side. Yes, this is the only one possible case. Correct. Now, if the person is facing towards north direction, then pole is here. It is not possible because pole is shadow of the pole is facing towards what? Facing towards right. But here the question is saying shadow of pole fell exactly to his right, the person's right side. Here the shadow will fell exactly to the left. This is not possible. Opposite. We are getting opposite if I am considering like this. Correct. Now this is the right and this is the left. Now what is the question he is asking? Which direction is he facing? Now the person is facing towards which direction? South direction. Answer is option A, south direction. Moving forward to next. Question number 12. Two friends, Ram and Sham, standing under the clear sky in the morning. Ram's shadow is falling directly Sham's back. Now you have to see the possibilities. Now here, Ram's shadow falling exactly to the Sham's back. Now what are the possibilities here? Either west or east. I can eliminate option A, I can eliminate option B. You have to see the possibilities. Correct? Now here west and here east direction. Now Ram's shadow falling directly Sham's back. Sham's back. Now if I am facing towards east direction, then my shadow will fall on my back. Correct. Now here the person, one person, and here another person is there. Okay. Now Ram shadow falling exactly Sham's back. Now here the person Ram and here the person Sham. Correct. This is the only one possibility. Ram shadow falling exactly Sham's back. Yes, Sham's back. Correct. If I am facing towards east direction, then my shadow will fall on my back. Correct. If I am facing west direction, then my shadow will fall on my front. Correct? Yes. Now here, what is the question he's asking? Sham is facing. In which direction Sham is facing now? West direction. Answer is option D, west direction. I hope it will be clear for you. Now, here, if the questions are asking based on evening cases, that is sunset and west. Sunset west. Correct. Now, naughty elephant sprinkling water. Now, if the person is facing towards north direction, then shadow will fall on his right side. Okay. If the person is facing towards north direction, opposite of morning case. Okay. Now, shadow will fall on his right side. If the person is facing towards east direction, then shadow will fall on front side. Okay, front side, opposite. Now, if the person is facing towards south direction, then shadow will fall on his left side. Left, this is the left side. If the person is facing towards west direction, then shadow will fall on east or back. We can say east or back. Okay, if the person is facing towards west direction. Yes, this is about evening case. Okay. I hope it will be clear for you. Please do share and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you. And don't forget to like. Okay. Thank you.